So from the top, make it drop. That's some wet cause she got in the pot. That's a wet cause I'm talking what. So wet cause Hey guys, Autumn M here, aka Plant Mommy. Yes. Alright, so we're back with another video. And I know you guys probably saw my last video on Neon Pothos 101 and exactly why these plants are very amazing companions for your kitchen. If you didn't, the link is below, so check out that video. But today we're going to be talking about the very famous, the overly popular office companion or indoor living room, bedroom companion. Yes. Talking about a money tree. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. Alright, so the money tree. Okay, look at this baby right here. Alright, so the money tree, she has been with me for I think 5 months and she's still growing. As you guys can see, I had to repot her because I wanted her to grow a little bit taller. These beautiful trees can grow up to, I think, at least, what, 60 feet? I'm probably gonna correct that, but these babies can grow big. And if you repot them in different pots, they can grow as tall. So that's why she has a little bit of a bigger pot than her home. And when you want to repot, again, you want to do over 2 times the size, like so 2 times bigger than the pot. And then you want to make sure that there's a good soil base there, so that way the soil has a little bit more of a mossy kind of like wood chips and things like that, and then the little pebbles as well. So soil I got from Home Depot. It's really great for indoor plants. I'll put that in the link in the description as well. But this plant, she's so beautiful. As you guys can see, she has some new growth coming in there, a little bit of a browning and everything, and here she goes, some new growth. This one's getting a little big. Now, one thing about this plant that is really cool is that it requires a lot of humidity. So we, love the moisture, we love the dewy glow, so does your plants. And so with that, I try to get her and her sisters a little humidifier. This is my plant humidifier. Plug it up at night and let them do its thing. And then I move her to the window in the morning. So you always want to make sure you're maintaining, so these leaves are nicely deep green and everything. You see less sunspots. So if you see little sunspots, such as, let me see if I can find one. I think more on this side has a little bit of sunspot. If you see a sunspot, kind of like this right here, it's time to move her from the window because that means she's getting a lot of sun. So they like bright and direct light. All right, so putting them near a window, giving them that daily, that sun, that vitamin Z, baby, is gonna help her a lot. The reason why these are popular and these are really great gifts to give somebody when they move into a new apartment, a new house, new baby, new job, is because they are fortune trees. That's the myth behind them. So these are really great trees. They're very low maintenance as well. One thing that I do when I want to care for her is, where's the spray bottle? Oh, I do a little bit of a spritz. So I get me a little spray bottle such as this, fill it with tap water. I know people gonna be like, you fill your stuff with tap water? Girl, I fill it with tap water. These plants gonna get what they get. You can do spring water if you want, if you're a little bougie plant mom, but like me, you just spray her leaves, just give it some moisture. That helps also create new growth, right? So I don't know if you guys can see this, but on this side it looks a little sad, right? So this side was more facing towards a bright direct window, and then so I had to switch shorty up, and then you see this side has more of the greenery, has more of the bigger leaves and everything. It's okay, just rotate your plant around. Again, don't put them in bright direct light, but also be careful to not overwater it. Another way to water them is, of course, you're going to water them. I do it bi-weekly, and I do it with 2 ice cubes because that's what it was told for care, but also the 2 ice cubes also allow it to absorb in there. So they like really nice, good little cold temperature water. So 50 degrees type of water is really good for these babies. I have nothing else to say, but I'm waiting for her to bring me some fortune. So it's been 4 months, and I love her. So where you can find these are anywhere, a local nursery, Home Depot, grocery store. I got my baby from ShopRite. I know, right? Not really like a romantic love story, but better. We fell in love there. So yeah, that's really it about the money tree. If you guys have any questions about just like potting and things like that, please let me know. I wanted to keep this video nice, short, and informative, but also remind you that this is a great gift plant for anybody who is welcoming something new in their life. Just, you know, let them know about the care, humidity, indirect, bright indirect light, and just love. Just love on your plants. All right. So here's my money tree baby. She all about the Benjamins like her mommy. Yes. If you guys like this video and want to see more, I'm going to be having more little plants coming and showing you the display of my 15 beautiful babies, along with probably growing and getting more plants. Don't tell my roommates. But yes, I'm going to be having more plants and talking about them and the maintenance and care. Yeah, so like, subscribe, leave some comments. Hey. And then tune in for more videos from me, guys. All right. Peace. That mommy out.